So right here I have a transparent hair trimmer by this brand called Green Lion. Let's go ahead to unbox it. By the way, I got this device for 23,000 naira. So let's see what we have here. In the box you will get the hair trimmer, a small pack containing 3 guide combs, the 2mm, the 3mm and the 4mm guide combs, a lubricant and a cleaning brush. There is also a USB charging cable and of course the user manual in the box. So now let's see what the trimmer looks like. This is sleek and beautiful. I will go ahead to take out the cutting blade shield. This trimmer has the top part completely transparent, revealing the inner part of the trimmer, which I find really cute. While the green glossy parts are not made of plastic, it feels like metal considering how solid it feels in my hands. The cutting blade is made of stainless steel that feels pretty solid. At the bottom here is where you plug in the charging cable to charge the trimmer, which offers a full charge time of 2 hours. On this side you have the power switch. This product boasts a 1400 lithium battery capacity that offers 120 minutes of work time with a rotating speed of 6000 rpm. What I like most apart from its sleek design is how portable it is to hold. And this trimmer is not just beautiful, it feels solid and strong. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of my tech product videos like this one. See you in my next video. Bye.